Hello, Hardreset here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your ChatGPT app on the iOS. So first, what you want to do is go up to the App Store, find your ChatGPT app. Here we go. And you want to look for the update. So if you got the available update, the update should pop out right there. But if you don't have the update bar and you have the open, that means that you have the newest version and everything should be alright. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. First way is just go to the settings, scroll all down, go to the apps. Here, find your ChatGPT app and just set everything on default. So photos doesn't matter. You can do the private access. You don't need to. Options like location included. You don't need to. We can change. No need for this. Microphone can be on, can be off. I'm gonna on. Siri just everything on. Search, everything on. Notifications, I prefer don't allow notifications, but if you want notifications from this, you can allow. Live activities, everything on. And language, doesn't matter what language you choose. If after this you still have some failures and issues with this to fix, the last way is just you need to reinstall ChatGPT right like this. Remove and we uninstall and just reinstall the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.